Because things that are made by people can be changed by people. Don't be come on, quiet.
Also, dog clubs organize once a year a test. It's called, I don't know how to translate, good citizen dog. Something like that. It has nothing to do with pedigree dogs, it's for all dogs.
I don't care. If you see a test like that, you have to do something to protest and have it changed. I will never accept it, never, because it's not good. It is totally stupid in my eyes, because that is so little respect for dogs. And myself, I will never breed a dog who is so stupid that they accept things like that. Not in my life. Yes?